My name is Joe. I'm currently living in Kentucky. I decided to attend the Drone Command Live because I figured why not? It couldn't hurt. My biggest takeaway after day one is to rewrite all of my business descriptions on my website and my social media and remove all the platitudes that we went over today. If you're on the fence about attending, just do it. There's a money back guarantee if you aren't satisfied after day one, but I guarantee that you'll be back on day two. Being able to attend virtually just made it so much more comfortable. I was able to concentrate on the material that was being given a lot more. Most valuable lesson so far that I'll start using is working on discussion points using hot button topics that we went over. Damon, Diego, Gina, and the rest of the crew really make you feel relaxed. They do everything they can to make sure all your technical equipment works fine. Um, and they just act like old friends, and I cannot wait for day two.